Check the parts list to ensure that you have all required components to complete installation. Mark center of front wall about 2 inches from floor. Position the pallet stops on the floor centered at front wall of the trailer using your mark. Prior to positioning the ZEPHYR return air bulkhead for mounting, you must first snip the connecting bridge to make a slot on both sides of the ZEPHYR. If desired, pre-assemble the quick release fasteners. Make sure not to over-tighten the screw or the well nut will expand, making it difficult or impossible to insert into the mounting hole. Position the ZEPHYR to the front wall by aligning the notch at the bottom of the ZEPHYR to the center of the pallet stops. Mark quick release locations or drill a small locator hole in the center of each mounting slot to provide better control when installing quick release hardware. For each location, drill a 1/2 inch hole, then insert quick release hardware and tighten. The screw can be adjusted to get desired tension on the quick release rotor. Install remaining hardware.